All right, code review, speedrun time, video 758, let's go. In ArtGirl shader source fragment number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader inside of the main function here, within the render unit section, we have added 2 new render units, the discrete internal local Ian's tile, and the discrete number of units within the Ian's tile that the current sample point is over. And then in our value units, we've added the v16 value for the Ian's tile that we're going to render. Down in this section called Is It Graph Paper Time Yet, we have stolen all the code. All the code that was here is gone. It's fucking gone. We've stolen it all. And if you want it back, you'll have to go to the ambush zone. This is the crime scene. So right here are some things that we're going to need to take to the ambush zone if we are to survive and restore the code to its proper working order. The v16, the discrete units, and the discrete internal local, right? All namespace to the Ian's tile, right? So these values right here are identical to these values right here. We're just namespacing it because we're going to have to restore these values later. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So right here is where the graph paper has been stolen and relocated to. We are inside of the ambush zone. So this is the relocated graph paper zone, section begin, right? Inside of this big section right here. So what we have, and it's right after the window cleaner loop. I should probably highlight that. Okay, so take the gun out of your shoes. So we're going to restore these values that we cached earlier because the v16 done and dill are going to be used in our equation down here in this stolen goods for ransom section right here. So this code was just moved, right? This code was moved, nothing has changed, but I'll try to explain some of it, right? So we want to get where we are on a 8x8 grid to render the graphic correctly. Then we want to, that's this part, that's both of these things. Then we want to figure out which third of the graphic we're in. We want to get the address within that third. We want to pull out the correct graphic, get the bit out of that graphic, and then if the bit is set, we're going to lay down black. We're going to change this functionality here in a later video to like lay down like a lighter gray if we detect a transparent tile in front of us. But yeah, we've just moved this. I don't really have to explain this because all it's been done is we've moved it to here, right? And this is a shorthand for this lookup table, the v16 to Ian's graphic table. Okay, we're the fuck out of here. Like and subscribe. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. You are here. Like and fucking subscribe.